Hello, sir. This is my workshop 5. Here in this workshop, I learned many things as like every week. I learned here JUI, random files, event handling, JavaFX, many things I learned in this workshop. So first I make it workshop 5 package and I make it here AdressBook.java where I created getter and setter, and afterward I realized we are not reading vectors and list, so I just erase it all the data and I use it JavaFX some libraries here and some libraries in mean.java. So here I basically doing some initializing some variables and button names, and also I put here some buttons also like add, first, next, previous, last, and update. Afterward, I draw one address book that pop up front of the user and they filled, and it's going to the file random access file. So in task 1 we are just learn event handling, so I make it here some attributes like column accounts for first name, last name, city, and postal code. Uh, but I set preference to the maximum bit because I am using their combo box. I use their some suggestions like interior, cubic, monitor bar, and other preference. So I use that one. After that, I search some methods there, so I realize their add all. So I put some labels through add all, and same here. I use some buttons here using get all. In second task, we are using random access files, so I use here some random access file. I call them, I request them to write and read. In every button here, I use lambda functions too. So lambda function is calling add, first, and second other things. So basically, it's going to every function, and when I used to add, I press the add button, is going here. If I go to the first, so it's going here, it's going to next, and so on. Here I make it some fixed length variable that you mentioned in the notes, like you are make that one is a hint basically. So we are here storing the attributes in the address. So that a function I called here for writing, and then we are reading that functions. So let's play with this beautiful program. So if I play it again, it's pop up this box. So if I write here Jack Smith, that you are mentioned in the notes, one example, so I used that one. Toronto. So here is interior. Here I use it L3 R1V2. So if I add it, it's saying address saved. If I go there, it's saved. Okay. So afterward, if if I go to there again, and other one uh, is I put here, for example, my name Madiha Shehzadi, and here is North York, and here interior, and I put here something like randomly, and here add saved. If I go to the first, it's going to Jack Smith. If I go to the next, it's going to Madiha, If go to the previous is a Jack Smith. If I go to the last is a Madiha Shehzadi again. And if I want to upgrade it, it's going to upgrade to, if I do it Madiha Rafiq. So if I do it update it, so it say updating information of person number 2. So if I go to text file, it's going to Madiha Rafiq. Thank you so much for listening me, and have a nice day.